done and how you see collaboration with Pakistan based on your experiences.
Thank you, Jamil, and hello everyone. This is great. So it's about 10 years ago that I started to work with the Pakistan relations through a friend of mine, Afak Ahmed, that I met in Austin, Texas. And we tried to do something in 2016 to have a Karachi Oslo Startup Challenge because we did see a huge benefit both by the tech savvy people from Pakistan and also that they could come and learn how to, I don't know, maybe not have too many cars on the roads and stuff. and a lot of things are working here in Norway that could be something that they could bring back home. Anyway, so fast forward for 2019, I met another one, Ashish Ahmed, in also Austin. And he came here brought Pasha and came to also Innovation Week. And after that, I've been there 3 times. And this year, I could bring Vibeke and Usman and Raja and Henry. And we had a great time. Do you want to say something about you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, hello everyone. Very grateful to be here. I was so honored to be invited to go to Tech in Lahore and got to do a keynote speech there about House of Math. House of Math per today has more than 200,000 registered users in Pakistan. And what I loved about Sadia, first time I told her that, she was all, you should have way more. And I was like, yes, you are my kind of girl. We need way more. And this is why Pakistan is important for us. We have about 2.5 million registered users globally, and Pakistan is an important market. Also, what I love about it is that you focus on STEM. Math is important. And math is, of course, important to me, too. And one of the good things here is I flunked math in high school, literally flunked math. Now I'm a mathematician. So I know how it is to be the idiot in the class. Brain. But there's been a road traveled. And what we do with our platform is to show you how to go from where you are to where you want to go in the shortest amount of time when it comes to learning math. Because I don't mean to be negative, but not everyone loves math as I do and want to do it on their spare time. A lot of people want to do as little math as humanly possible so they can go and do whatever else. And this is what we want to bring to Pakistan. So going there, meeting the best of people, being taken care of in a way that was just unbelievable, all thanks to Kristen, who is one of these super connectors. So, you know, you want to talk to her during the day. Having the best possible meet I've had in my life, meeting a lot of heavy players who can really help lifting. House of Math is looking to get a good, solid partner in Pakistan that could be helping us to get our product to millions of people, like Sadia said. So for us, I just want to say thank you so much for getting to be here, to reach out. If there's anything we can contribute with, I'd really like to see how I can help as well. And I want to build the House of Math story in Pakistan as well. So that's kind of the short part and how I loved going there, and I hope to go again. And I think there's some in the making already, if I'm not wrong.
He has been able to build. I personally believe that it's phenomenal. I'll quickly invite Raja Khurram to speak about his venture and his experiences in Pakistan.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, thank you to the Embassy of Pakistan, the total team, who has organized this event this year, but also last year. I got an invitation from Her Excellency to come to this event last time, and I met one of my good friends, Christine, for the first time. And then she encouraged me. He made like super connector. She connected me with a lot of people, invited me to, Oslo Innovation Week events. Even I couldn't because I work as a doctor, so I couldn't come on them. But one of those events were the Park Tech Summit. So I was really curious about who are these people who are coming from Pakistan. And I thought it was some Norwegian Pakistanis behind this. It was like what I assumed when I came there. And I saw I was the only one. And the Usman was, and some other who were invited as guests. And it was really interesting. There I saw the panel discussion between Eidsvoll, the guy who introduced Yango in Pakistan. You know, it was a huge, and he's also a good friend of mine. And he sat in a panel with a guy named Samad Salim, CEO of Digi Trends in Pakistan. So they were talking about health tech. As a physician working in Norway last 8 years, I have seen the challenge we are facing in Norway. You know, we lack a lot of health people, health workers, and we saw that they were talking about technology that we could use. So we had one online meeting with Samad, and the second one with another friend of mine, Henry, as Christine told, who also went to Pakistan with me. And for the third meeting, we went to Karachi. And it was a little bit, you know, challenging because Henry is a Norwegian guy. He talked with his Pakistani friends, and they told him to get some armed guards when you are in Pakistan. And he called me, he said, Raja, what are you doing? I can't go there without guards. I said, okay. I called Samad. I said, sir, Henry is a little bit, you know, afraid. He wants some guards. He said, if you want them, I can get you, but you don't need. I said, Henry, I don't think we need these guards. Let's go. And we traveled there. We went to these beautiful people. Went there, and we had one lawyer here talking about these legal things, and we actually got one legal advice from Varjag Advokater in Sandvika. They helped us, and we registered one company in Norway, Digi Trends, actually Digi Trends Holding, and we already delivered 2 software programs for dental clinics and for some medical clinics as well. So we already started some business thanks to this event last year, and thanks again to this, you know, invitation. So, you know, so we can see that by networking with these kind of super connectors, you make business, you know. And now I see, I can give one example of Norwegian. I always use the company name Moods of Norway. It's a Norwegian company. Idea was Norwegian, but everything they made was in Cambodia, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. What we said is Norwegian. And just like today, if we have these ideas in Norway and we get people from Pakistan making these things for us, we say these are Norwegians. So again, as a doctor, I will tell you a small story about one software company called Pridoc. Probably some of you heard about that. They make these electronic patient records. So what they did, it was one doctor, one engineer, and I think one economist. They went together and said, we need to make a new software system. In 10 years, this Norwegian company, I think they had 30 to 40 developers. They made a company which they sold, I think, last month for 500 million NOK. So it was a need of time. That software, I use it, a lot of other doctors use it. So then I saw the potential of health tech in Norway. So let's connect together, find the solutions because Norway needs people, Norway needs technology. And you know, we are getting elderly wave very soon in Norway. So we have a lot of challenges we have to meet. So thank